Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Whatnot app not working. If the Whatnot app keeps crashing, won't open, won't load live streams, or is not working properly, you need to try these troubleshooting steps. First, check your internet connection. Go to your notifications bar in the top right and check for the internet connection. Whatnot requires a stable internet connection for browsing and live auctions. Switch between the Wi-Fi or the cellular data to see if the issue improves. Or you can also foreclose and reopen the app. Once you open this Whatnot, simply close it completely and launch it again. This can resolve temporary glitches as well. And you need to update the Whatnot app. Go to the App Store and in the top there's this search icon. Type down Whatnot and search for it and select for this Whatnot app, and if there's any available updates you need to simply tap onto this update for Whatnot, or you can simply restart your device. Restarting your phone or tablet can refresh network connections and the system processes. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.